Now students, I am gonna start with the methods of separation. In one video I discuss all the 4 methods with you and one more, sedimentation and decantation. Now first one is hand picking method. So what is hand picking method? We can only use this when the mixture is of big particle. वो कितने बिग होने चाहिए, कितने बड़े होने चाहिए, so we can see with our eyes. Now this will show you the hand picking method. I am having a mixture of 3 components. One component is corn, one is rice and one is wheat grain. They all are visible to us and I am gonna my hands to separate them. But this process is very time consuming. That's why we only use it for the small amounts. Your mom also used to separate the rice from the stone, so you can eat healthy. Now I separate them, all the 3 component, wheat grain, rice and corn grain. Now the second method is winnowing. In winnowing we use the wind to separate the heavier and lighter solids. Now I am gonna show you. You can see in my hand I have 2 components. One is wheat grain and one is this light one. This is called the husk or chaff. You can read from your book. Now the condition is one has to be lightweight and one has to be heavier weight. When I am gonna blow the wind, as you can see, the lighter particle separate from the heavier one. Heavier one remain in my hand and the lighter one separate from these grains. Mainly farmer will use this technique or method to separate the grains. The next one is sieving, third one. Now this method is used to separate the small particle from the bigger one. I am not gonna perform this, but you can see your mom when she sieves flour and the bigger particle remain on the mesh. I am gonna show you the mesh here. I am available one at my home. This is used for construction. Now you can see there is a mesh and the size. Now the bigger particle remain on the top and the smaller one whose size is smaller than this mesh, they will collect at the bottom. This mesh is used in sieving method. The fourth one is magnetic separation. This method we use to separate the iron pieces from a mixture with the help of a magnet. Again, mixture is prepared by mixing 2 or more components. Now I have a mixture here. As you can see, I have paper and a cloth, 2 components. One I have these small nails, iron nails small, and I am having the bigger iron nails. So there are 4 components. Now I am also having a small magnet here and I am gonna use it to separate the iron from the mixture. You can also perform this at home. Now you can see the magnet attract the iron, so my mixture got separated. Only the clothes and paper are left and all the iron pieces are attracted by the magnet.